Hey, it's Airsoft Mike and I've just come back from Wolf Armories in London and I've come back with this baby. It's a brand new G&P M7A1B carbine AEG Airsoft assault rifle. What a mouthful.
I could do this all day.
And I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you right now. Now I will say this, when I do unbox it, there's going to be a few extras in the box which do not come with this gun. It's something that I bought extra and they gave me a nice deal on the complete package. But anyway, here we go.
What are you waiting for?
I gotta cut off this tactical black shrink wrap thing with my tactical scissors. I'm joking. Anyway, here we go. Right, let me just get rid of this plastic. And there she is.
Groovy.
As I mentioned before, what you're seeing in the box is not what you get when you buy the gun, okay? In fact, what you do get when you buy the gun is a magazine, the gun itself, and a buttstock. The extras that I purchased is a LiPo battery. I'll show you that in a minute. Some rail guards, it's like a rail panel. Although I do like the look of the rail panel on this, pretty nice. I got a King Arms silencer, suppressor thing. I bought this mainly for looks than anything else. And because of the way this particular model is made, the actual barrel needs an adapter on it to enable me to put this suppressor on there. And of course, a WE smart charger. I'll show you all of that later, so let me just get rid of this. Get rid of these accessories. So here it is. I'm going to give you a quick close-up of it, the new Troy M7A1 carbine assault rifle. On the box it says Milsim Airsoft AEG, Troy M7A1 AEG, licensed by Troy Industries and produced for Airsoft by Socom Gear and G&P. It's an absolute beautiful gun. Nice weight to it, very sturdy. On the back there is where you'll put your battery. And don't worry, it doesn't look like this normally. There is a butt pad that goes on here, a rubber butt pad that goes on, that covers that up very nicely. Pretty much all metal. And that's extendable as well, the buttstock. It's a brand new gun, so I'll obviously be taking that off before I use it. I just love the design on this gun. There you go, licensed by Troy Industries.